What's going on? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. And today, what are we making?
Man, we're making soft shell crab. One of my ultimate favorites. So, the whole crab is edible. It goes through a molting stage where they lose their exoskeleton and you can just, they're so good. You can pan fry them, saute them. So delicious.
Let's get into this recipe.
Alright, so in our saute pan here, we have red bell peppers, Roma tomato, jalapeno, garlic, red onions, cilantro stems. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to glaze with olive oil, take it with salt and pepper, roast it hard in the oven, and we're going to make it into a puree. Over here we have our corn. We're going to give this a hard roast in the oven as well, and we're going to use it for our succotash. Alright, a little salt, pepper. Get this nice and charred in the oven at 450 for about 25 minutes. So we're beautifully caramelized out.
To our mixture, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of paprika, teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon cayenne, teaspoon salt, half teaspoon of MSG, and a good dash of your favorite Cajun spice. Just gonna give it a mix, and then we got our seasoned flour dredge for our soft shell crab.
Alright, in a saute pan, we're gonna glaze the bottom with olive oil. I pre-diced some red onions, some celery, red peppers, tomato, jalapeno, and a little bit of fresh thyme. We're gonna saute this down for our succotash. A little bit of salt, pepper, nice knot with butter. We're gonna deglaze a little bit of white wine. Add in our roasted corn. Lemon juice. Cilantro. There you have it, succotash. Charred veggies.
Time to make the puree. Throw all the roasted vegetables into our air container. We're gonna add some 10% cream and puree till smooth. We're gonna adjust the seasoning. Got a little salt, black pepper, more lime juice, a little splash of white wine vinegar, and blend one more time. Here's Herman. He's our crab. If we're going to go through the trouble of making this little soft shell crab, we might as well clean him up properly. We're gonna flip him over. We have this here, it's called the apron. We're gonna rip that off. We're gonna open up these gills. These are his lungs. We're gonna rip them out. Both sides. So we don't want to get too attached to him. His name's Herman. We're gonna have to cut his face off right here. And there we go. Clean soft shell crab. Time to dredge him and cook him.
We're gonna glaze our soft shell crab with a little bit of buttermilk just to help coat the flour. Add our seasoned flour. Slightly dust our crab. Alright, check to see if our oil's at 10. She is, so let's start frying. We're gonna add a few capers to the pan. There goes our crab. 1 bay leaf. Sprig of thyme. Here we go, soft shell crab. There we have it. Our plate of soft shell crab.
Woo! Let's
Ready?
dig in.
Man, I'm waiting for this. I'm going for that knuckle right away.
Dibs.
A little that puree, a little that succotash,
Corn.
a little bite. So good.
I mean, I'm a little skeptical. I've never had this before. But it's pretty fucking tasty.
That is delicious. Nice heat.
The dredge is delicious. Seasoning
good.
in there. That corn. It's actually really good.
Love it. Awesome.
Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. See you next Saturday. Peace.